With SMS marketing, you can reach more potential customers within a short while. It is stress-free, time-saving, and more conducive for business campaign, promotion, and to create awareness. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to extract bulk targeted cell phone numbers to start your SMS marketing. In case you are new to this channel, please subscribe and enable the notification bell so that whenever we post a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Subscription is absolutely free. Make sure you watch this video till the end and follow the step-by-step processes so that you can get the same result. Okay, we'll be using Sky Phone Extractor and friend number generator for the purpose of this video. Here is the interface of Sky Phone Extractor with different menu options at the top. Okay, first we have the export to CSV, export to text, clear phones, and other option. This other option is for the theme. If you want to change theme, this is for proxy. This is to check if your software is registered, and this is the home page. This is contact. Let's quickly use the theme option. Okay, if you want to change your theme, you just click on select the one you want to change your theme to. Gray, we'll have black, we'll have gray, and we'll have white. Okay, but we'll be using this blue. Click OK. Next we have country/region. This area is where you select the country of your choice, your targeted area you want to concentrate on. And next we have the keyword URL. This area is where you enter the target keyword that suits your business. Okay, let's start with all country. If you are selling food stuff, for instance, your target may be restaurant, so let's just say restaurant. Okay, you just click on search, and you must make sure your internet is right on. Okay, so it will start by searching different countries phone number from different URL. Okay, you have to wait till it finishes. Once it finishes, it will pop up that the process has been completed. All right, so let's just wait a bit. And while we wait, if you have any question regarding this video, you can drop a comment in the comment section below, or if you need this software, you can chat me directly. Okay, we just got 67 phone numbers for this search. Now let's go to the country/region and select a different country. Now let's select Canada. Okay, Canada, and let's clear the phone numbers we extracted previously. Okay, we're still going to search for restaurant. Okay, let's just click on restaurant again. And the speed of this Sky Phone Extractor depends on your internet. Okay, so you have to make sure you are using a very good internet connection. Okay, after this process has been completed, you can export this phone to test. You can export these phone numbers to CSV, and you can also click on the export phone to sorter if you want to sort it right away. But I'm not going to sort these phone numbers now. I'm just going to export to CSV. Okay, once you click on it to export to CSV, all right, these are the phone numbers we just extracted. Okay, next we're going to be using this powerful application to extract unlimited phone numbers. This application does not have limit of what you can actually extract. Okay, it's quite different from the first one we just used. Okay, let's get started. Click on the application. Once it's opened, you click on get started. All right, click start search. When you get to this very page, you see enter your country code and phone number to get state. All right, so what you do here, you have to insert the code of the country or a state in the US that you want to extract number from. For instance, we want to extract numbers from either South Africa, okay? The code will be 27. If you want to extract numbers from USA, it will be 1. If you want to extract number from, just depends on the country you want to, any country at all, okay? So you just enter the code here, then paste the number here, and whatever limit you are looking for to extract, you enter the number of contact you actually want to extract to your mobile phone, okay? All right, so we're just going to focus on South Africa, okay? So in South Africa, you have 27, that's their code, and you have to paste here or enter a valid number. The number you want to enter here must be very valid, so include a valid number here. Then if you actually want to extract 10,000 numbers, you have to type 10,000 here, okay? Then if you want to extract 50,000, it just depends on what you're actually looking at, okay? But for the purpose of this video, we are going to use 1,000, okay? But before we go, I want to show you what I already have on my WhatsApp. So if you go back to my WhatsApp, you can see I have 4,707, okay? 707. So let's go back to the app again. Now we're going to type 1,000, okay? Another thing, after you must have extracted these numbers, you can also delete those numbers from your phone without even having any challenges, okay? Now let's go ahead and click on search number. The numbers will start generating, okay, automatically. Then once these the numbers have been generated, if you go back to your phone, you find out that you have a lot of numbers valid who are even on WhatsApp. It may take a while, so you have to wait while the phone numbers are being extracted, okay? Okay, we are done. And once this process is completed, you just click on this open. All right, we take you right to your WhatsApp. Open it. You open your WhatsApp again to see if you actually have. You can see I have 4,945 contacts here, and these are the numbers we just extracted. You can see them, my friend, my friend, my friend, and so on. So these are the numbers you just extracted. So this you can use for your bulk SMS or for WhatsApp marketing. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future video. You can also drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any question or suggestion. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.